Pascal.
What you decide for here?
I can't arrange bed.
Arrange your bed now.
Something arrange your bed now. Wait. Yeah, look.
What you say you won't look?
Which I won't look. You know what you look. I don't want to.
No. Arrange your bed.
Which one? I can't arrange it. I don't need to. Look. 5 seconds. Which one? 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay, don't say it. Wait. It will reach my turn again. You will count 5 seconds. Wait, man. Pascal. No, what's up?
Now your bed I can't arrange.
Which one?
I catch up.
Okay. So why were you guys peeping at me?
It was Pascal that was peeping. I caught him peeping.
I came to arrange bed. I caught him spying on you. I said, hey! You opened the door. That's what happened.
Pascal!
Spy.
Okay, listen. Because I have a good heart, I will report you guys to my father. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Next time, try
me.
it.
Don't thank me. Don't thank me. If you guys like me, why don't you just come up to me and tell me? You don't have to go extra miles to peep at me. So, who likes me amongst the two of you?
With my full chest.
With all my heart.
No, they copy my line. I like you with my chest.
You say chest, but my own heart. Now two different things. With all my heart.
See, I like you from my brain.
It's a lie. You will use that brain to deceive you. Me, I like you with all of me.
See, I did not come to arrange bed though. I came because of you. When he was telling me, this girl is not worth it. This girl is not worth it. I said, lie! She's worth all my spine.
Okay.
You just agreed that you was spy. You did spy before.
Okay.
See, knock on my room. I'll kill you.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Now, I will know who likes me most. Who can tell me my favorite color?
Hey, white.
A lie. You see, he does not like you. His record. She wear red pants. Red pants.
Which one be?
Because girls like privacy. In their privacy, you see their color, their true color.
See, let me tell you. You have 5 white pants and 3 red. It means your favorite color is white.
Yes!
All the white one, we get rope here. Red, they the center.
You know, see,
See,
me I tell you. See, me I tell you. Girls, not they get pants when get 2 color. Pants color, now 1.
Na lie.
Which one be na lie?
The one which they wear. If the rope there, yeah, go red. Ultra.
How you tell me?
See, I don't wash.
Get out. Out.
Oh, you say me you get out. You
Two
don't.
of you. Now. If I lose it.
See, don't lose it though.
So you've been spying on me for long.
No, not spying.
You know I have 5 whites.
Yes, that you always
And
spread.
3 red.
And one that
I have 3 red. That has rope.
Now cloth at the pack.
Okay, but you have 5 whites, man. That's your favorite color.
See, okay, sorry man. We're going now. I love all your red pants.
None of them.